So let's say we have the equation y is equal to 3 over 2 times x minus 4. If we're interested in graphing this equation, we need to identify the x values and use those values to solve for the y values. Once we have both the x and y values, we have the ordered pairs which we can use to plot the points and graph the line. But there's another way of doing this. If we have an equation that is written in slope-intercept form, we can quickly identify the slope and y-intercept, which are enough to graph the line. Let's look at the last equation but from a different perspective. So looking at the equation, we can see that it's written in slope-intercept form. So this means 3 over 2 is the slope of the line, and negative 4 is the y value in the y-intercept. So that's 0, negative 4. Now, with this information, we can plot the y-intercept and use the slope to find the next point. So starting at the y-intercept, we can move up by 3, the rise, and then move to the left by 2 units. This is where we place the point. With these points, we can draw the line. So now that we have a better understanding, let's use the slope-intercept form to graph the equations, shown below. First up is y is equal to 3 over 5 times x plus 1. So the slope is 3 over 5, and the y-intercept is 0, 1. We can plot the point 0, 1, and starting from the point, we move up 3 units, and then move 5 units to the right. Place a point there, and graph the line that goes through both points. Next, we have 5x plus y is equal to 11. So this equation is written in standard form, not slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is what we need. So we subtract both sides by 5x to get y is equal to negative 5x plus 11. With this, we can see that the slope is negative 5, or negative 5 over 1, which is the same thing. The y-intercept is 0, 11. We can plot the point 0, 11, and starting from the point, we move 5 units down and then 1 unit to the right. We place the point and then graph the line that goes through both points. Finally, we have x minus 5y is equal to 10. So, to change this equation to slope-intercept form, we subtract x from both sides to get negative 5y is equal to negative x plus 10. Then, we divide both sides by negative 5 to get y is equal to 1 over 5 times x minus 2. Now that we have it written in slope-intercept form, we can see that 1 over 5 is the slope and the y-intercept is 0, negative 2. We plot the point and then move up 1 unit, and then move to the right 5 units, and then place a point. With these 2 points, we can graph the line. So that's how you can use the slope-intercept form to graph the equations.